Here's a delicious and quick orzo pasta with chicken, perfect for a weeknight dinner. This is what you need for this recipe. First, turn on the heat to medium. Cut 2 chicken breasts in half lengthwise and season with salt and pepper on both sides. Then chop 3 garlic cloves, dice the onion, and cut a tomato in small cubes. On this pan I put 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and now I will add the chicken breasts. Let them cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side. Then take them out to a plate. Add 2 more tablespoons of oil to the pan. Sauté the garlic, onion, and tomato cubes for a couple of minutes. And add a cup of orzo pasta, followed by a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of basil, and a teaspoon of salt. Stir. Now add 2 cups of chicken broth. Stir again. Cover. And once it starts boiling, lower the heat. Cover again, and after 10 minutes pass, uncover. Add about 3 cups of spinach. Then put the chicken breast on top of the spinach. Cover one last time and cook for 5 more minutes. Look at this beauty. In less than 30 minutes, you will get to eat this creamy, delicious, and nutritious pasta that I'm sure you and your family will love. Last, put some shredded cheese on top and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.